Welcome to Hamilton Place in Homestead, Florida, a community of 75 townhomes located just 26 miles away from Key Largo and 17 minutes from the Homestead Air Base. We're going to check out my newest listing, and if you enjoy this exclusive tour, please don't forget to hit that like button below, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can be the first to see any of my upcoming listings before anyone else. My name is Michael Valencia with La Macchia Realty, and this is Living in South Florida. Come on in. Built in 2022, the Sparrow Model has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms across 1,682 square feet of living space, a 2-car driveway and a 1-car garage, an open concept living with a 12.5 by 10.5 kitchen with laminate countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a pantry, and perfectly centered so you can be the host of any event. Downstairs has plenty of storage space with multiple closets and access to the garage, and bigger backyard than you'd expect for a townhome. Upstairs, you'll find the laundry room with side-by-side washer and dryer perfectly placed in the center of every room. The 2 rooms have their own closet and share the second bath, while the primary suite features a spacious bathroom with dual sinks and walk-in closet with plenty of room. Hamilton Place has an affordable HOA that includes common area maintenance, a kids' playground just steps away from the front door, and a newly built community pool. Affordable housing is still attainable if you work with the right professional. All of my information is in the description below. Feel free to reach out with any questions you have. I look forward to hearing from you.